Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today's question is: we use Indian borage for cold and cough. What is the correct method of its use for cold and cough? Indian borage is known as Parnayavani in Ayurveda. It is also called Indian mint. Its botanical name is Plectranthus amboinicus and it belongs to the family Labiatae. This plant is mentioned in Ayurveda for the treatment of cough, cold, asthma, headache, indigestion, diarrhea, and intestinal worm. According to Dravya Guna Vijnana, qualities of Indian borage: Tikshna Parna Yavanyushna, Katutikta Rase Laguhu, Deepani Pachani Ruchya, Malasangrahini Param, which means Indian borage is Tikshna, enters deep into the tissues, Ushna, hot in potency, Katutikta Rase, pungent and bitter in taste, Lagu, light for digestion, Deepani, carminative, Pachani, digestive, Ruchya, increases taste, and Malasangrahini, increases the quantity of feces. Coming to the question, what is the correct method of its use for cold and cough? The leaves of Indian borage should be crushed and juice is collected. This fresh juice should be given in a dose of 5 ml mixed with honey to treat cough, cold and rhinitis. Some people heat its leaves on a plate and then extract juice from it and administer it along with honey. A research study has been conducted on antibacterial activity of Indian borage. Thanks for watching. Learn Ayurveda step by step with us. Join our weekly online classes. Link is in the video description below this video. See you in the next video. This is Dr. Sudarshan signing off. Namaste.